The real estate terrain is experiencing substantial changes in 2024, influenced by a blend of technological progress, altering market forces, and changing preferences and habits of consumers. 1. Technology. 2024. PropTech challenges and profitability pursuit. The PropTech arena, a pivotal tech hub within the real estate domain heavily dependent on venture capital, has faced significant hurdles over the past year. Interest rate increases by the Federal Reserve and a general deceleration in venture capital funding have forged a difficult landscape, resulting in cutbacks and fiscal challenges for leading firms. The state of the housing market, marked by escalating prices and scarce availability, has further intensified these hurdles. As 2024 dawns, PropTech enterprises are expected to focus intensely on scrutinizing their financials with a keen eye on short-term profitability. This year is set to see a tactical shift in operational approaches, prioritizing the diversification of product lines and investments in educating consumers to skillfully handle the cooling housing market. In realms like the rental sector, technology is poised to play a pivotal role, notably with the introduction of online rental screening systems that enhance process efficiency, rent payment tracking, and prevention of fraudulent practices. Despite prevailing uncertainties, a sense of optimism is anticipated to permeate the industry, with firms exploring collaborative partnerships and considering promising IPO prospects on the horizon. The sector's resilience and creative spirit, evidenced by the emergence of new companies, highlight its capacity to flourish under both challenging and favorable circumstances. Before we delve further, if you're finding this insight valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay ahead in the real estate game by being continuously informed. In 2024, certain technologies are poised to make the most significant impact. Data-informed property management, leveraging real-time data to enhance property management, optimizing rental rates, upkeep schedules, and tenant contentment. Flexibility through remote work. Technological advancements fostering greater flexibility and autonomy in work environments. Enhanced cybersecurity in real estate. Heightened investment in safeguarding vital property and financial information within the digital space. Artificial intelligence, AI, and predictive analytics, radically altering decision-making processes through data-driven forecasts, anticipating property values, identifying investment potentials, and streamlining operations by reducing manual interventions. Augmented, AR, and virtual reality, VR, revolutionizing how properties are showcased, offering immersive virtual tours and advanced visualizations of properties. 2. The emergence of secondary markets will challenge the traditionally popular locales in 2024. In a significant shift from its traditional local-centric approach, real estate agents are increasingly required to adopt a more national perspective rather than a regional one. This change is driven by the growing movement of populations, as indicated by various data sources. User statistics from RentSpree reveal a noticeable dispersal of rental applicants throughout the country. From 2021 to 2023, around 17% of renters applied for housing in different states, an increase from 14% in 2020 and 12% in 2019. This pattern is expected to further escalate in the upcoming year. Two primary factors underlie this nationalization trend. Firstly, the affordability of housing has dropped to the lowest levels seen in more than 3 decades. The surge in home prices, combined with the rising costs of loans, has led people to seek residences outside their usual locales. Secondly, the adoption of remote and hybrid work models, which gained traction during the pandemic, is now becoming a standard part of the work environment. As we approach 2024, the dual pressures of housing affordability and the changing nature of work are likely to encourage more people to move to secondary markets across the country. This movement is not just driven by affordability concerns, but also aligns with changing lifestyle preferences. The shift towards a more national outlook in real estate will influence organizations that support industry professionals, as well as the individuals who are actively involved in the sector. 3. Multiple listing services need to become the source of truth for rentals. Multiple listing services, MLSs, long considered the bedrock of truth in the for-sale market, will face an even greater need to expand their influence on the rental sector in 2024. The lack of rental listings on many MLSs currently leads to notable financial drawbacks for both agents and tenants. With over 60% of rental properties not listed on MLS's, visibility and earnings for agents and landlords are significantly limited. Emphasizing the need for standardized data for rental listings, varied compensation structures for agents, and the provision of accurate and timely information for renters will be critical, particularly in the upcoming year. Rentals are set to become more pivotal in the real estate market and people's lives, given the intense affordability challenges in the for-sale segment. Incorporating rental listings into MLSs promises to enhance the rental process, reduce delays, and increase efficiency. These changes will also bring benefits such as higher agent commissions, improved sales pipelines, and a decrease in fraudulent activities. Bright MLS, one of the nation's most prominent MLS, has already successfully integrated rental listings. This forward-thinking initiative stands as a clear indicator of the positive impact that can be achieved by aligning MLSs with the changing trends in the real estate market. 4. Flourishing during challenging times, a tale of two interconnected markets. The dream of owning a home in 2024 continues to be out of reach for many. With interest rates fluctuating between 7% and 8% and the prices of single-family homes maintaining record levels, the financial hurdles to home acquisition remain substantial. The significant price gap between buying and renting, where buying is on average 52% more expensive, highlights the economic difficulties tied to home ownership. Meanwhile, the rental sector is becoming increasingly important, offering more options and less competition for tenants. The construction of new rental units, as noted in a recent Zumper National Rent Report, is shaping a market trend where prices in many areas are expected to fall. Consequently, the focus in 2024 is increasingly shifting towards the rental market, providing a crucial option for those in need of housing and professionals in the housing sector. This shift in the real estate market creates a distinct opportunity for real estate experts. With the for-sale sector at a critical point, grappling with legal challenges over commissions and affordability issues, the focus in 2024 will shift to finding new sources of leads and revenue, such as the rental market. Rentals will not only offer a temporary solution for agents during tough times, but also represent a long-term investment for both new and experienced real estate professionals. 5. Building a fairer financial future toward homeownership. Heading into 2024 with affordability at the forefront of concerns, tools designed to enhance financial independence are set to rise in importance. Initiatives like rent payment reporting will take on a more significant role in promoting a more equitable financial landscape for all involved in the real estate market. Key figures in the mortgage sector, including Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, have started initiatives to factor rent payments into credit histories. Fannie Mae's trial program, which is extended through December 2024, demonstrates a dedication to assessing the extensive effects of incorporating rental payment history into credit evaluations. This move holds significant potential for empowerment, influencing loan sanctioning processes and tackling racial inequities in the housing market. As we progress towards a financially fairer future, we can expect more private sector innovations to surface in 2024, playing a crucial part in driving this pivotal shift. To encapsulate the real estate environment in 2024 is defined by an intricate interplay of technological progress, market shifts, and socioeconomic factors. The aforementioned trends collectively forge a narrative of a sector in continuous evolution. Achieving success in 2024 will depend on the ability to adapt to these changes and leverage the new opportunities they present. As we've explored these dynamic shifts shaping the real estate landscape, it's clear that 2024 will be a year of significant transformation. From advancements in technology to changes in market dynamics and socioeconomic influences, the way we interact with real estate is evolving rapidly. These trends not only reflect the industry's current state, but also signal the direction it may take shortly. Understanding these trends is just the beginning. If you're keen to dive deeper and stay ahead in the real estate game, our next video on 2024 housing market predictions is the perfect next step. Here, we'll delve into detailed forecasts and expert analyses, giving you an even clearer picture of what the future holds for real estate. Just click on the video appearing on your screen now to continue uncovering the insights that will keep you informed and prepared for the changes 2024 has in store.